Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Toyota Sienna L. This is a brand new conversion, rear entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. And this is the super wide ramp, 43 inches wide. This is for the bigger chairs if you're out there and need a little extra room, but it's so light. Look, I can take it down using only my index finger. It's still super easy to use. 43-inch wide ramp. It does taper down to about 42 here at the base. Has 8 tie down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Headliner looks good. It's got your rear air between those two seats, about 25.5 inches of room. So most chairs will go up in between here. If you need more room, we can always remove one of these seats. It will create about 3 or 4 more inches of room. So there's no one size fits all. Let us know your measurements. Let us know what you need. We can help customize this van to meet your needs. Dash looks great. Looks about pretty much everything on this van. It's darn near brand new condition. Got your backup camera, dual climate control, rear air, plenty of plug-ins for all your electronics. We can get everybody secure. We give a free set of Q-straight pull tie downs away with each van. So come get everybody secure, come back out. This is all manual, very easy to do, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. If you're gonna get one of those electric ramps and doors, they're nice, but they are super expensive up front and they are super expensive to maintain. Quick walk around to the van. Got the alloy wheels, got the Michelin tires on it, tinted windows, very clean van. I can't find a scratch or a dent in this van. I'm not saying it's 100% perfect, but it's very, very clean and pretty much darn near brand new condition. That new conversion has a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. A lot of companies, it's an ATS conversion, by the way. A lot of those conversion companies are going to tell you they have the best conversion. That's fine. Ask them what their warranty is. They're going to tell you 3 years, 36,000 mile warranty. So if their conversion is so much better than ours, why does their conversion stop at 36,000 miles and ours goes unlimited miles? So you might want to ask them that. If theirs is so great, why does it have a cap on it? These back seats have never been set in, brand new conversion. Check out the Carfax report. We give a free Carfax with each one of our vehicles. You can see no accidents or damage, one owner. It was a commercial vehicle. A lot of times, if a fleet gets overstocked, they sell them with such low miles on this. That's probably why it's been sold. Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. Guarantee no total loss, no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer checks out good. No accidents or damage. No open recalls. Shows it's got the still original 3-year, 36,000 mile factory warranty for the next 22 months. It's 3 years until it's 36,000 miles. Drivetrain's 5 years, 60,000 miles. So meets all the specs to be covered bumper to bumper, front to back, side to side. Even with the conversion, it's got the warranty as well. Also, we hope you buy from us, but no matter who you buy from, do some background, do some research on them. You can see on eBay we have 835 transactions. We've never had any negative feedback. That tells you we've done business with 835 people. All 835 people said we treated them right. You can check us out on Google. Make sure you Google whoever you're going to buy from. A, make sure they're a real company, that you're sending your money to a real person, real company. And B, look at our reviews. 4.8 out of 5 stars. That's excellent. You can see what people are saying about us, the great things people are saying about us. So not all sellers are equal. Be sure you do your due diligence. Check out who you're buying from. Okay, back to the van. The rest of the interior very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors. We also show you the VIN number. That way you know we have this vehicle in our possession, that we're not pulling some internet scam. We've got 2 keys and 2 fobs. When I go to turn the van on, fires right up. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag lights, no ABS lights. You see it's got the backup camera. 2,367 miles and a full tank of gas. Now, those might change with a test drive or something like that, but currently, that's where it sits. And even though this vehicle is darn near brand new, I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've pushed every button. You can see the power mirrors over there, power windows. We test the heat, air, cruise, power locks. Pushed every button on this van. This is not some vehicle you come look at or we ship out to you and it's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. That's not how I do business. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any water Water damage, no signs of any leaks. We check these over very thorough before we buy them. Underneath the van, much of the same. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. Everything looks good just like it should. No signs of any leaks. And you know, that's the number one mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They say, oh, it's a 2020, or it's only got 2,000 miles on it. You know, they assume it's in good condition. They assume it's not all rusted out. They assume the frame's not bent up underneath it. You know, and a lot of people buy these vans and they've been in a wreck, and they fix them up and they send them out to you. And make sure you see a Carfax. Go look at my competition. Go look at their website right now. I'm okay with that. Do they have pictures, much less videos of the undercarriage? Look how clean that is. Do they have Carfax reports? Do they show you who they are? Do they show you their reputation? So if you want to get on the internet and just trust someone from across the country and trust they're going to be honest with you and telling you the truth, unfortunately in 2021 that's not the way the world works anymore. I wish it did, but it doesn't. There's a lot of wolves out there, so demand a detailed video, demand a Carfax report, and demand to see who you're buying from. You know, don't take their word for it. Everyone's going to tell you how great they are. Do your research. So let's get the van out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on a test drive, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure it's roadworthy, steering wheel's nice and straight, I've got the cruise set, cruise works good. With all that being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle and we've got some very affordable extended warranties that go out past the factory warranty. They go all the way up to 8 years if you choose. They're very affordable. Talk to us about those. You know, protect your investment. Also, keep in mind we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they don't tell you about is their $500 document fees and tag fees, and then you got to factor in shipping. Remember, we have free shipping. Next thing you know, that real nice price is about $2,000 or $3,000 more than you're expecting. So, not so nice anymore, is it? My other question to you is, if someone's not being honest about the price, if they have $30,000 online, but oh yeah, they have a $500 fee they don't tell you about, or it's in the very fine print at the very bottom of their ad with 5 paragraphs like lawyer talk, you know, if that's how they do business, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding electrical damage? Are they hiding mechanical issues? Are they hiding a flood? Are they hiding a salvage title? You know, I don't know. I just know if someone's not being upfront and honest from the start, I'm very hesitant to do business with them, and I'm definitely very hesitant to give them my money. So that's up for you to decide. And hey, if you ever want to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. I am the owner, and you now have my cell phone number. I want you to ask the competition, the big companies like Mobility Works, Freedom Motors, United Access. Nice hard brake here, by the way, real quick. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, so it brakes just like it should. And sorry, I was jumping around there a little bit, but my point is, if you want to talk to those big companies, ask if you can have the owner's cell phone number. Are they committed enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number? So if you want to be just a number, you call one of those big companies. If you want to be someone that I know and talk to, and I know your name, and you can reach out to me anytime on my cell phone, give us a call. And you can see our entire inventory with every vehicle has a Carfax report, detailed video, and dozens of pictures at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Yes, we do have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. If you're old school, call us up. We'll take one over the phone. We can send one to your phone or email. Let us know how we can help. And yes, we do take trade-ins. Even if you're across the country, we still do take trade-ins. Talk to me about how that would work. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.